steak and ale pie. That's proper home cooked food, isn't it? So I've made my pastry and I've got the recipe out of a tea time recipe book. Just short crust, flour, butter, lard, water, all made up, and I'll put this in the fridge to rest for later. And in my pan, I've browned off some beef first with some olive oil, and then I've put some butter in, and I've slowly softened some onions. So I'm going to add the beef back into the pan, warm it up, warm it through, and then I'm going to add my ale. And I'm going to let this warm through and simmer. And then I'm going to put this in my slow cooker for about 4 hours. And then I'll make my pie up later on. Oh, delicious. So my meat's been in my slow cooker for about 4 hours. And I've taken it out and I've let it cool. I've rolled out my pastry and put it in my pie dish. I'm going to top it off with my pastry, and I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm going to have steak and ale pie with chips and carrots. So here's my steak and ale pie. How good's this? Oh, I'm going to be having this with some homemade chips and some gravy and some carrots and turnip. Enjoy.